Hi boys and girls, and welcome to Haven of Hope for Kids drama program. Today's lesson is on sound effects. A sound effect is the noise used in a movie or on stage in a theater. Typically, movies use the real object or an instrument or a machine to make the sound effect. When you're on stage, it's a little bit more difficult. It's hard to bring the real object onto the stage with you. You can make the sound effects with your mouth or a machine or an instrument. If you were doing a play about elephants, for instance, it might be kind of hard to get an elephant into the theater. For a movie, it would be no problem. You could film an elephant trumpeting through the jungle. When you're on stage, you have to rely on sound effects. Let's think about the sounds in our lives, and if you can make a sound effect using your mouth. When I get up in the morning, I wake up to my alarm clock. It makes a bring, bring noise. Can you make the sound of an alarm clock? I'll wait. Excellent. That would wake me up out of any sleep. When I get super tired or bored, I often yawn. My yawns sound like this. Can you make the sound of a yawn? Let me hear you. Excellent. You sound very sleepy or bored. Sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I hear birds singing outside my window. They chirp and they trill and they sing their bird songs. I'm going to try a bird sound effect right now. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Can you make the sound effect of a bird? Let's hear you. Boy, that sounded like a whole flock of birds. Often when I take my dog Woodrow for a walk, there's a light breeze blowing. A light breeze sounds something like this. Can you make the sound of a light breeze? Oh, you're blowing my hair back. Sometimes when a storm is coming, the breeze gets louder and stronger till it sounds like this. Can you make the sound of a breeze telling us that a storm is coming? Let's hear it. Oh my goodness, I better close the windows. Let's think about the sound of a soft rain. It makes a pitter-patter sound. Drip, drop, 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 drip, drop. Let me hear some soft raindrops coming down on you right now. Excellent job. How about if someone comes to visit? They ring a doorbell or a buzzer. Can you make the ding-dong of a doorbell? As if someone was coming to your door? Let's hear that. Ding-dong. Excellent. How about if they knock on the door? Let's hear that. Come in. Hey, I heard a sound effect just now. My dog Woodrow. Can you make the sound of a dog barking? Woodrow is barking on cue. Let's think about the sound of something scary. Can you make the sound of a monster with long green teeth and a hideous face filled with scars? Ow, that was scary. Can you make the sound of a ghost ratching around the walls of your house? Can you make the sound of a creaky door trying to open? Excellent work. And finally, when I'm going off to bed, sometimes I snore. Can you make the sound of a snore? Let's hear it. Good job. Let's play a game with our sound effects. I'm going to read a story. When I get to the sound effect, I'll stop for a second and give you the chance to make the sound. We'll pretend that we're on stage. See if you can picture the story in your mind, and don't forget to listen for your sound effect cues. This is my story of a scary day. One day I woke up to the sound of my alarm clock. I yawned and got out of bed. I took a shower and the water came pelting down. When I was done, I opened my creaky closet door. I took out my clothes and got ready. I clomped down the stairs and went outside. There was a light breeze, and the birds were singing in the trees. Off in the distance, I thought I heard a horse galloping. It got closer and closer and louder and louder. I followed the horse to a very spooky-looking house. I walked up the creaky stairs and rang the doorbell. The door opened with a creak all by itself. I walked inside and the door slammed behind me. I walked up the stairs very noisily and saw a door. I opened the door and heard a big monster. Quickly, I slammed the door closed. I went to the second door. I opened the door and heard a scary ghost rattling around in the walls. Quickly, I slammed that door too. I opened the third door, and a kitty cat jumped out at me, meowing loudly. I pushed the cat down, slammed the door, ran down the steps. When I got outside, my mother was coming toward me in a motorcycle. She got closer and closer, and the motorcycle got louder and louder. "Hop on," said Mom. "Let's go to the park." We went to the park where I saw a babbling brook. In the brook was a great big bullfrog. He said "ribbit" several times. I bent closer to the brook to see the bullfrog when suddenly, splish splash, I fell in the water. Let's hear that splash. Mother took me home and dried me off with a blow dryer. Later, she popped popcorn, and I went to bed and snored. The end. Be sure and try your sound effects with your family and friends. You can make up a story and pause just like I did for your family and friends to add their sound effects. Thanks, boys and girls. Have a great day.